In this video, we are going to talk about why real estate is the best investment. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Real estate investing may give you a wealth of benefits, including financial development and security. When it comes to investing, there are several options available, including single-family homes, condo complexes, commercial properties, and more. Understanding the variations between each form of real estate is critical. Commercial property is one that is rented from the owner in order to profit from the sale of consumer products and services. The term single residence refers to single-family detached dwellings, as well as bungalows. When searching for multifamily properties to invest in, keep in mind that this includes housing where numerous independent units are housed in the same structure, such as the condominium discussed before. Let's look at the top 10 reasons why you should invest in real estate, with an emphasis on multifamily housing. Number 10. Easier finance. When comparing the costs of single detached houses to those of numerous units, you may wish to immediately turn around. Investors seeking a loan to acquire investment properties will discover that their lender is more likely to grant a request if the money will be used to purchase a multifamily property. When it comes to approving prospective loan holders, lenders often look at your salary, among other factors. When you bring a property forward, such as an apartment complex with 100 units or more, the lender will see that you are likely to have a consistent cash flow. This demonstrates that your loan has the potential to be a safe investment. Number 9. Potential for extra help. Homeowners are aware that maintaining their house and the property it sits on may be time-consuming. You also have maintenance difficulties, such as refrigerator and stove repairs, painting, and so on. The same is true for your rental homes. In fact, if you have new tenants every year, it may be much more difficult. Fresh paint and clean home for the new renter, as well as any excess repairs left by previous tenants, will be part of landlord etiquette. Being the owner of a multifamily property allows you to take benefit of the extra cash that you will get each month. Hiring a property management firm is one of these benefits. When you hire these organizations, they normally get a part of the monthly revenue generated by your investment. In exchange, they are responsible for all upkeep and maintenance. Your property managers will be notified if a unit stove breaks down, and they will be in charge of locating a contractor to come in and do any necessary repairs. Lawn maintenance and snow removal will now be the duty of property managers in structures such as condominiums and apartment complexes. This extra advantage gives you more time to look for additional investment properties and manage your business's logistics. Number 8. Lowered risk. Investing may be a risky business, especially when it comes to the stock market, bonds, and other financial instruments. On the other side, real estate is typically more secure. Because of the various apartments that a structure may have, multifamily residences provide further security. When the economy is down, being the owner of a multi-unit property enables you to provide housing to a large number of people. We are a species that need a roof over our heads. Many people are compelled to sell their houses during recessions and are seeking for rental properties, giving you an edge as an investor. Rather than having to sell, you might provide a home to members of your community. As a result, even if the economy tanked, you're likely to have a consistent income. Number 7. Tax advantages. Americans may be eligible for the American Opportunity Tax Credit, Lifetime Learning Credit, and Savers Tax Credit, to name a few. Being a multifamily house owner comes with the extra advantage of larger tax deductions. Accountants may deduct mortgage interest paid in the previous fiscal year, which is often larger in the first year as your loan begins to amortize. In addition to interest deductions, you may claim depreciation value as well. For a period of 27.5 years, you will be able to deduct this. You may utilize your depreciation value to offset a considerable percentage of your rental revenue each year if you are claiming your taxes. Number 6. Multiple investment partners. People are drawn to multifamily ventures because of the many opportunities available. When considering strategies to invest in a property with numerous apartments to rent out, there may be a group of investors. This enables you to invest via syndication, which is the transfer of something to a group of people or organizations for control or management. This will allow investors to profit from the collaboration while playing a more passive role. You may also put your money into a multi-family fund, which can invest in homes all around the nation. There are a variety of methods to invest in such properties, so it's important to do your homework to locate the best one for you. The ultimate guide to purchasing an investment property in Phoenix. Number 5. Diverse portfolio. To reduce risk, it is critical to diversify one's portfolio. This enables you to place your eggs in more than one basket, so to speak, and avoid putting your money at danger. This protects your money against firms that aren't always doing their best. Number 4. There is a lot of love for you. People may believe they should avoid real estate investment because they are concerned about the time it takes to realize a return. This is particularly true for anyone considering a house with more than 2 units and a high price tag. It is critical to understand that the appreciation value of multi-family houses is larger than that of single-family homes while you wait for your return on investment. Looking at the many possibilities when considering real estate investment may be frightening and nerve-wracking. We've gone through a few reasons why someone would want to invest in a multi-family property, but let's look at some more choices. Other types of residential real estate include our single-dwelling homes. There are numerous additional advantages, including the following. Number 3. Equity. Homeowners have the advantage of accumulating equity. The gap between what you owe on your mortgage and what the property is now worth is known as equity. If you owe $150,000 on your property, and it is worth $200,000, you will have $50,000 in equity. Your home's value might improve with time, particularly if you perform renovations, install a pool, and so on. Your equity will grow when the value of the property rises and the amount you owe drops. When seeking for a new loan to invest in additional property or buy a vehicle, for example, equity may be utilized as leverage. When you have equity to leverage and the opportunity to invest in more properties for more income, you're increasing cash flow and wealth, which is a win-win situation for investors. Number 2. Inflation hedge. Real estate is one of the few assets that serve as an inflation hedge, which is why it is so enticing. The expansion of economies allows for a rise in rent prices, resulting in increased capital values. Inflation hedges function by assisting in the preservation of the value of your investment. Real estate often yields a high rate of return for investors, but if inflation rises, you may lose money. When an asset is used as an inflation hedge, the market value of the asset is kept high while the intrinsic value is kept low. Number 1. Improvable. Homes are physical assets made up of a variety of materials such as wood, brick, glass, and other materials. Making improvements to your home will almost certainly raise its worth. Changes to the outside of your property that make it seem more attractive and contemporary may boost the value of your investment. Changing the paint color, installing contemporary light fixtures, and changing kitchen cabinets, flooring, and basic hardware are some of the more costly options to update the look. A new roof is an excellent example of structural improvements that may be made to raise the value of a home. Many people find real estate investing appealing since it allows them to increase their physical assets. Many individuals are drawn to real estate investing because of the many additional advantages and the high return on investment with such little risk. When investing in multi-family houses, you can start small and progressively work your way up the ladder while enjoying all of the advantages, making it a popular option to boost your monthly income flow. What do you prefer, stocks, crypto, or real estate? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.